of you know that the Supreme Court justices wasn't always 9, and it changed because of politics. Hi, my name is Ms. Graves. I'm a U.S. history teacher, and I share with you pieces of U.S. history that you may or may not know about. And last week on my U.S. history trip, I was in the Supreme Court, and I listened to a great lecture, so let's talk about it. So many of you probably think that the Supreme Court always had 9 justices, right? Nope. That number was basically, you can guess it, a political weapon. After the Civil War, Congress did not trust Andrew Johnson. I wouldn't have trusted him either. I'm not a big fan of Andrew Johnson, but I digress. So what did Congress do? They literally shrunk the size of the Supreme Court to prevent him from nominating anyone. Yeah, they played defense with the Constitution. But then everything flipped. It's now 1869, and Ulysses S. Grant is now in office. When he was in office, the Congress passed the Judiciary Act of 1869. And with that, they locked the court at 9 justices, where we are still today. But that's not even the most important part. The law also created dedicated circuit judges, which meant the Supreme Court justices didn't have to ride horses across the country to hear cases. We don't think about that today, do we? Before the Judiciary Act of 1869, being a justice meant traveling thousands of miles, dealing with courts, and basically living on the road. And after 1869, the Supreme Court basically became what we really recognize today, a true national court, not a traveling one. So let me ask you this question. If Congress changed the size of the Supreme Court justices back then for political reasons, what's stopping them from doing it today? Put your thoughts and comments over here and like and follow for more. I post U.S. historical content daily, and I would love for you to follow me.